Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And in this video today, I'm just going to do a quick ponytail style for you. It is going to be synthetic hair, and this ponytail is 30 inches long and it was only $10.99. So if you need a quick ponytail style for the week or for the weekend, this is what you can do. My customer is 100% natural, and I'm taking my Restoration Scalp Revitalizer and I am placing that all over her hair so that when I blow dry it, it has nice shine, it's really soft, and it also will help with detangling her hair. Now you want to just take and press the hair and press it out as best as you can. So now I took and I slicked her hair back into a ponytail, and you can look at my previous videos where I showed you how I slicked back my ponytails. And I just used, it's a product from Salon Pro, I believe. I'll list everything in the description box. And I just put some of that on her ponytail so that I can protect her hair from getting any glue on it when we do this quick weave ponytail. And then I just took and secured it with a rubber band at the end. And then for more protection, I took a piece of wrap strip and I wrapped that around as well. And then I put more of that same product on top. So what you want to do is take your glue and place it on your weft, and then take your blow dryer and blow dry the glue just a little bit so that the glue is a little bit tacky. And then just take and start wrapping the hair from the bottom of the ponytail all the way up to the top. Now we are at the top, and I took that last little section and I glued it directly onto the rubber band. Just make sure you don't get any glue on your customer's hair. So now I just took a small piece and I wrapped it around that rubber band so that you can hide that, and plus it gives the ponytail a more defined look. to finish that part off, I'm just taking a little bit of gel and placing it around it so that when it dries in place so it won't slip. And this is the finished look. And I just placed a little bit more hairspray on the end and the back of her hair so that it can stay in place. But yes, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.